runway 28 left. Cleared for takeoff runway 28 right. Cleared for takeoff runway 28 left Airbus November 90020 Juliet. Cleared for takeoff runway 28 right Docker November 2780 Lima. San Francisco Tower Airbus November 51439 ready for IFR departure runway 28 left. Airbus November 51439 hold short runway 28 left. Traffic is Airbus A330 on the runway. Delta 49er wind 272 at 12. Clear to land runway 28 left. Hold short runway 28 left Airbus 439er.
Clear to land runway 28 left Delta 49er.
Delta 80 Lima contact Oakland Center on 119.475. Good day. Docker 80 Lima. Goodbye. Airbus 20 Juliet contact Oakland Center on 119.475.
40.
Good day.
30. 20. 10. Retard. 5. Retard. Retard.
Delta 49er contact ground on 124.25. Airbus 20 Juliet. Goodbye. San Francisco Tower Airbus Hotel Kilo 6104 ready for departure runway 28 left IFR to Herrera. Airbus Hotel Kilo 6104 altimeter 29.92 wind 277 at 19er. Cleared for takeoff runway 28 left.
124.25 Delta 49er. Goodbye.
Cleared for takeoff runway 28 left Airbus Hotel Kilo 6104. San Francisco. San Francisco Tower Docker November 729er 6 X-ray ready at runway 28 right east departure.